Welcome to Joseph's College Cosmetology. Thousands of successful cosmetologists have graduated from our campuses. Wanting to get your career in beauty started? This video will help you to understand our cosmetology program and what you will learn. When you begin school, you will be in our basics class. Right away, you'll be learning exciting cosmetology skills that include these services. Styling. This includes formal hairstyles, braiding, and roller sets. You'll also learn hair coloring, men's and women's haircutting. Your studies also include spa services such as how to give facials, makeup, waxing, pedicures, manicures with dip, basic polish, and gel nails. After completing basics class, you move on to the next level of your education. Theory class is lecture-based and includes hands-on training. You will be on the clinic floor practicing and improving all the skills you learned in basics class. The clinic floor is also known as our student salon services area. It's like a salon where you work on real clients. You'll even have your own station. You will also get valuable front desk and dispensary experience. Now it's time for senior review. This is an exciting time when we prepare you for the Nebraska State exam. It includes everything you have learned at Joseph's College. Then comes graduation. You'll be glad to know that the licensure rate for our students is 96%. What are you waiting for? Join us in going pro.